All right, everybody, we are on our second learning packet, day 3, the math telling time video part 2. And this page we have to do our hour and minute hand for every clock. So for each clock, we are doing the hour and minute hand for the time shown at the bottom of the clock. So we're going to start with, number 1, which asks us to show the time of 8:35. I'm going to use 2 different colored lines, and I'm going to start with my hour hand. Since the minutes are at 35, which is more than 30, I know that my hour hand is going to be in the 8s, but about halfway past the 8, so about there. And then my minute hand is at the 35, so I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and you may notice that 5 times 7 is 35, so going straight out to the 7, because when you count by 5s, 5 times 7 is 35. So my hour hand is the purple one, which I'll try to make shorter. My long hand is the blue one. So hour hand is the purple, and minute hand is the blue. All right, so 8:35 looks like that. Moving on to question number 2, it says 9:50. And again, if you feel like you know how to do this, pause me, do all of the clocks, turn, and then push play again just to check your math. 9:50. When I see 50 minutes, I know that the hour hand is going to be at the 9, but it's going to be getting closer to that 10. I'm going to shorten that hand a little bit. So I'm still in the 9s, but getting closer to the 10. And I know that 5 times 10 makes 50. If I'm counting by 5s, it'll take me 10 5s to make 50. So the 50, it should be pointing right here. And I can double check by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So your minute hand should be pointing at the 50. Your hour hand is still in the 9s, but it's kind of getting closer to the 10. 6:47, your hour hand, because your minutes are at 47, your hour hand still in the 6s, but it's getting closer to the 7. So I'm going to put it about a little more than halfway. Back that up, make it a little shorter. Still in the 6s. It hasn't reached the 7 yet, but it's getting closer. And to find 47, since 47 is really close to 45, I know that 9 5s make 45. The 45 is here. 46 is here. 47 is here. I'm going to go ahead and draw my line at the 47 like that. 46, 47. All right, next clock. 12:23. Again, if I go too fast, feel free to pause me, catch up, and then keep playing. You guys have the power here. All right, 12:23. At 23 minutes past 12, my hour hand is just kind of close to the middle, 12 and 1. It shouldn't be touching the 1. It should still be in the 12s. And then my minute hand, I know that 4 times 5 is 20. So if I'm counting by 5s, it takes 4 5s to make 20. And then I need to find 21, 22, 23. And this is where I'm going to draw my hour hand. And you'll just see that Mrs. Knight has discovered the line making tool. So my hour hands and my minute hands are so much straighter. Number 5, starting with the hour hand again. 25 minutes past 10 means that my hour hand is going to be past the 10, but not at the 11, so I'm going for about halfway. And since 5 times 5 is 25, if I'm counting by 5s, it'll take me 5 of them to make 25. So I'm just going to draw my hand, pointing to the 25 for the minutes, 10:25. 7:53. 53 minutes past 7 means that my hour hand is going to be past the 7, getting closer to the 8, but it is still in the 7s. It has not touched the 8 yet, but it's getting closer. And my minute hand At 53, I know it takes 10 fives to make 50. If I'm counting by fives, it'll take 10 to make 50, and then I need 51, 52, 53. So my 53 will be right there. All right, question 7, 11:08. Going to go ahead and draw the hour hand first. 11:08, 8 minutes past 11 means it is not very long after 11 o'clock. My hour hand is pretty much pointing straight to the 11 here. 8 minutes past means I need to count 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's where I will draw my minute hand. 11:08. Number 8, 4:47. 47 minutes past 4 means my hour hand will be past the 4, but not yet at the 5. So getting closer to the 5, but not quite there yet. 47. Well, I'm going to go to the 45. 9 times 5 is 45. 46, 47, counting 2 tick marks past the 45. And there we go. And 6:17. 17 minutes past 6 means that not too much time has passed since 6 o'clock. I'm going to make it pointing pretty close to the 6. It's between the 6 and the 7, closer to the 6 because 17 minutes past 6, not too much time has passed. And 17 means I need to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, stop and count by ones. There's 16, and 17 is right here. So that's where I'm going to draw my minute hand. 6:17. All right, feel free to replay this and check your math one more time. Check your hour hands. If you have any questions, post those in Google Classroom, and I hope this was helpful.